Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required to verify the trust of that app. If you see any kind of error while installing any kind of app, so how you can fix that. So what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. Before going to the solution, we will discuss why this error occurs. The first reason of the error is that app do not meet the violation policies of the Apple Store, and the next thing is that maybe the reason that your Wi-Fi or internet connection is not stable, and the third reason is that maybe that your latest iOS update is not available or maybe corrupted. So how you can fix that error? For this, what you have to do, first of all, you have to check your Wi-Fi or internet connection is working properly or not. For this, you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router, and after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on airplane mode for some seconds, and after that, you have to simply turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi connection can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to click on transfer reset iPhone, and you have to click on reset, and after that you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting your network setting, you have to make sure that the problem doesn't exist. If the problem is still there, then what you can do, you can simply turn off and all the app in the background, which means you have to refresh your iPhone. And after that, the next thing you have to do, you have to simply restart or reboot your iPhone. For this, you have to simply press on volume and power button at the same time. After that, you have to simply turn it on again, and you have to simply give the passcode, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply wait for some time so that Apple Store can verify that app you can simply use that app without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.